Hi guys, how are you doing? I hope you're doing well. Today we are going to have a very short video regarding Microsoft cloud-based email. Before getting into that, we need to understand what is cloud computing, and though it is not going to be detailed discussion here because that itself is a big topic. Cloud computing basically takes your resources to the cloud. For an example, if it is email, the entire email servers and all the components will be on the cloud, on the hosted by different multinational companies like Microsoft Cloud, it's called Azure, and AWS, Google, etc. So in cloud computing scenario, you don't need to maintain anything with you. It's everything is with those providers, and you just need to be the end user. And for small companies, startup companies, even enterprises, and these days this is the model people are slowly approaching, because data centers are there around the world, and it is much feasible and much cost effective, though we need to pay yearly or monthly. This is one of the new trends what we can see actually. So now in this video we are trying to look at the cloud-based email solution provided by Microsoft. Now email is essential for every company, and I feel or I believe that email is the main thing behind running the business. So if email system stops, then there is a huge problem with the business. So email has to be something very robust, very flexible, and in this regard Microsoft has done really well. They have Exchange servers which is being on-prem for a long time, but then they have moved those systems to cloud also with a different pricing structure. So in this video let us have a look at different options available. Now I am on this website, Microsoft Office Exchange website, wherein the product what they call is the basic product is Microsoft Exchange. So now this is having email system, and also it gives you calendar, and it is an intelligent inbox, and the calendar feature which you already said, and different multiple options actually. Now the main thing itself is email, which helps you to send and receive email with your own customized domain system. In another video we will have a setup also. Now let us go to the plans and pricing. Now we are in the screen, so you can see here the basic plan starts from Exchange Online Plan 1, which is $4 per user per month, which if you buy annually online. Obviously if you go via your favorite partners who are there are around the world, there are so many Microsoft partners, they can help you with obviously with a better pricing. Now for the reference of this video we are looking at the prices which is available online, which can be purchased using credit card or debit card online also. Now we can see the basic Exchange plans. There are three plans. One is $4, $8, $12.5. We'll talk about these two. So Exchange Online Plan 1 and Plan 2. Now if you can see here, if you're going for Plan 1, you just get 50 GB mailbox per user. That means each of the user will get 50 GB of the mailbox. Now I don't find anything else included in this. You can see here users can connect to supported versions of Outlook. So obviously you need to have an email client with you that you need to purchase separately, though there are subscriptions available also, but in this scenario you need to already have a Outlook software purchase with you. You can also, otherwise you can use web client, the web based client. You can go to the browser, go to office.com, from there also you can run, but it won't be that feature rich actually. So they have something more called focus inbox and all that, and they have calendars. We can receive calendars. The mailbox has the basic protection of anti-malware. As you know, these days there are so many problems of spam, malware and all that. There is an Exchange Online protection which is the basic one, so that is also included in this actually. Now okay, this is automatic in place archive. It will move old messages to an archive system automatically. Now if you look at the Plan 2, it includes everything from Plan 1, plus they provide unlimited storages. For an example, your company, some people needs very high storage, like they want to keep all the emails right from the beginning, like how many so many years back, then probably you can think about this one. It's plan 2. Now there is no office applications like Microsoft Office, Word, Excel, PowerPoint, Outlook and all is not there. And hosted voice, they also have a hosted voicemail system and DLP. So in case the in case the email is deleted by someone, we can recover that. That is called DLP. That is also available in the system. So it is in detail here. It is 100 GB of mailbox, and they can send email up to 150 MB. Now there is something called unlimited storage. So first is the primary mailbox is 100 GB. Then in place archive has been provided unlimited. Actually, that is really good. So you can have unlimited space in archiving your emails. So this is not popular system because it is hosted unified messaging system, but that is also provided actually. So I was talking about DLP. So we can have a DLP system wherein we can identify, monitor and protect sensitive data. So it can analyze your data, and after that we can have different policies and we can control this actually. So basic email for you for a startup company or different companies, we can think about starting from Exchange Online Plan 1 and Plan 2. Now let's look at a scenario wherein you don't have an software. Microsoft email software is not installed with you. So in this scenario we can think about this other system called Microsoft Office 365. So that is having more features like cloud based drive and all that. So in this scenario we have if you go for that, for a home, I'm just referring to home because home is not obviously connected to the business. So we have something for the home also. This is for okay, sorry, I think I will not discuss home. Let us discuss business first because we are talking about the business actually. So I'll skip home for now. I will come back to home later. So Office 365 business, you can see here, you can see that the prices is higher than the previous plan, this plan, $8. So why is it high? This is because it includes the different software to be installed on the machine for your daily functionalities like Outlook, Word, Excel, PowerPoint, but it does not have your email system. So that means if you want to have an email system plus your Office applications, your your option is only this Office 365 Business Premium, wherein we have Outlook, Word, Excel, PowerPoint, and your Exchange server, which was discussed earlier, and OneDrive it's something like Google Drive, wherein you can share your data, save your data, and SharePoint is for creating a website. Teams is very powerful tool. It was Skype for Business earlier, now it is called Teams, wherein your company people and external people can communicate using something like WebEx. You can have different the sharing of the data, sharing of the screens, and plus we can have the voice calls through this software also. Now there is one more plan called Office 365 Business Essentials, which is $5, and this has got no software. Remember, there is no software, and it is just equivalent to the Exchange Online Plan 1, but it also has OneDrive, SharePoint, and Teams. So these are the three multiple versions from Microsoft available. Simple, when you think about simple email, though there are different higher versions for multiple complex scenarios, but then we are not talking about that. So in the same slide, when you go to product.office.com, when you just Google for Office 365 editions, you get all this, and they all talk about different scenarios. So this is becoming more detailed they are providing. Like example, all of them have the web and mobile versions of the applications, and teamwork and all is only in these two versions, and email calendaring is there in the second and third, like that. So you can always speak to your preferred partners or any of the IT companies around you, IT service providers, or you can speak to Microsoft directly, and then they will be really happy to help you. to make things more clearer for you actually. I'm really thankful for watching this video till end. In case you liked it, please subscribe so that you may be able to find more such videos which can help you in the future. Thanks a lot. Have a nice day ahead. Take care. Bye bye.